Dear children, welcome to the English class. Hope all of you are fine. Children, we were going through the lesson Learning the Game, an autobiography of Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. In the last class, you got an assignment to prepare a profile of Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Hope all of you have done it and sent it to your teachers. In the last class, you were learning about the difficulties Sachin faced during his practice at Shivaji Park. Okay, let's go through the next paragraphs. As a child, I had only one set of cricket clothes, and the routine was to wash them as soon as I had returned from the morning session. While I had my lunch, the clothes would dry out in the sun and I would wear them again in the afternoon. The pattern was repeated in the evening so that I could use the same set of clothes the following morning. The system worked well, apart from my pockets. There was never quite enough time for the pockets to dry out completely, and for the entire duration of the camp, I played with wet pockets. By the middle of the summer camp, Sir had started taking an active interest in my batting, and at the end of the 2 months, informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer if I practiced all year round. However, my school, the new English school in Bandra, did not have cricket facilities, and Sir was keen for me to change schools if I wanted to pursue cricket seriously. Dear children, have you gone through the paragraphs silently? Okay, let's discuss what we have seen in the paragraphs. As a child, Sachin had only one set of cricket clothes. Can you imagine such a situation in your life? No? Okay. Then what did Sachin do with his only one set of cricket clothes? Sachin had to wash the cricket clothes soon after he returned from his practice. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചിന്തിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടോ അങ്ങനെ? പ്രാക്ടീസ് കഴിഞ്ഞ് വരുന്ന ഉടനെ തന്നെ ഡ്രസ്സൊക്കെ കഴുകി ഇടുക, ഉണങ്ങാനിടുക. മടുത്തു വരുന്ന ഒരു കുട്ടിയാണ് ഇത് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ ഓർക്കണം. നിങ്ങളെ കൊണ്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? Sachin says the system worked well, but there was one problem. What was the problem? He did not get enough time to dry out the pockets completely. So he played with the wet pockets during his training period. Then what happened by the middle of the summer camp? Yes, by the middle of the summer camp, Ramakant Ajrekar began to take a special attention to Sachin's batting. Do you know why? Yes, he identified the talent of Sachin Tendulkar. At that time, Sachin was studying in the New English School. The New English School did not give much priority to the game of cricket. So Ramakant Ajrekar would like to change Sachin's school. He discussed the matter with his father and his brother. One evening, Sir called to my father and put forward his suggestion. Ajit was in the room with my father at the time, and they both accepted that it was necessary if cricket was to be my priority. My father sat me down and explained that while he did not have any objections to my changing schools, I should do so only if I was really serious about playing cricket. I assured him I was, and so it was agreed that I should move to Shardasram Vidya Mandir, where Ajrekar sir was the cricket coach. All my excess energies were getting channeled into cricket, which acted as a kind of safety valve. My father always said that all he wanted me to do was give it my best effort without worrying about the results. Did Sachin's father and brother accept Ajrekar sir's suggestion to change Sachin's school? Yes, both of them accepted the suggestion. But Sachin's father put forward one condition. What was his father's condition? Can you tell me? Yes, his father told him he would agree to change his school if he was serious to play cricket. And Sachin agreed his father that he was really serious in playing cricket. Thus, they changed Sachin's school from the New English School to Sharadasram Vidya Mandir. What was the benefit of his changing the school? Yes, in Sharadasram Vidya Mandir, they gave much priority to the game of cricket, and Ramakant Ajrekar sir was their trainer. Thus, Sachin's energy was channeled into cricket, and Sachin says that this acted as a safety valve. So, Sachin gave his full attention to the game of cricket. Sachin practiced the advice of his father all throughout his life. What was the advice given by his father? Yes, he advised his son to give his best effort without worrying the result. In my first year at Sharadasram, I played 55 practice matches during the summer break of 60 days. My summer sessions used to start at 7:30 am and end at 4:30 pm. My evening session would start at 5 pm after only a 30-minute break. During the break, sir would often give me some money to go and have a vada pav, a popular Mumbai fast food. Okay, children, can you tell me what did Sachin say about his cricket practice at the first year in Sharadasram Vidya Mandir? Yes, he said that he played 55 practice matches. His training would start at 7:30 am and it would end at 4:30 in the evening. Do you think it ends there? No. The practice was so hard. He would get only a 30-minute break. Then another session would start at 5. Can you imagine such a hard training? No? Okay. During the 30-minute break, Ramakant Ajrekar would give Sachin a special consideration. Can you tell me what? Yes, Ramakant Ajrekar sir gave Sachin money to go and have a vada pav. Have you seen or eaten vada pav? What is vada pav? Yes, it is a Mumbai fast food. Between 5 pm and 7 pm, I would have 5 more net sessions. Towards the last 15 minutes, sir would place a 1 rupee coin on top of the stumps, and if I managed to avoid getting out, the coin was mine. In this session, every bowler in the camp would come and bowl to me with some 60 to 70 boys fielding. It meant I had to hit every ball along the ground to survive those intense 15 minutes. Winning the 1 rupee coin used to give me immense satisfaction and taught me how to concentrate even when physically drained. At the end of it all, Sir would tell me to run 2 full circuits of Shivaji Park with my pads and gloves on. That was the last part of my training, and I would be completely exhausted by the end of it all. It was a routine I would repeat right through my summer holidays, and it helped me to build up physical and mental stamina. Sachin gave us a detailed description of his training sessions. How many net sessions did Sachin play between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m.? Right, he played 5 more net sessions between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. What did Ramakant Ajrekar do towards the last 15 minutes of the training session to bring out the best in Sachin Tendulkar? Yes, he placed a 1 rupee coin on top of the stump. Sachin had to manage to avoid getting out. There were some 60 to 70 boys in fielding. It was very difficult for Sachin to gain the coin. ഭയങ്കര ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ് ആ 1 രൂപ നാണയം നഷ്ടപ്പെടുത്താതെ കളിക്കുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ. പക്ഷേ ആ 1 രൂപ നാണയം നേടുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ സച്ചിനെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം അത് വളരെയധികം സന്തോഷവും സംതൃപ്തിയും നൽകുന്ന ഒന്നായിരുന്നു. 60-70 കുട്ടികൾ ഫീൽഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നിടത്ത് ഔട്ടാകാതെ നിന്ന് കളിച്ച് ആ 1 രൂപ നാണയം നേടുക എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് സച്ചിന് വളരെയധികം ആത്മവിശ്വാസം നൽകിയിരുന്നു. What did Sachin learn from this practice? Yes, he learned to concentrate in his game even when he is physically drained. How did the training help Sachin to build up his physical and mental stamina? Ramakant Ajrekar sir would tell Sachin to run 2 full circuits of Shivaji Park with his pads and gloves on. That was the end of the training session. This helped him to build up his physical and mental stamina. Okay, children, that's all for the day. Before winding up, I would like to give you a homework. Sachin Tendulkar writes a letter to his friend describing about his training at Shivaji Park. Write the letter. Do the homework and send your answers to your teachers. Okay, bye children. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.